linear equation. So example 2 here is a over 2 plus 3a plus 1 over 5 is equal to 10 is equal to a plus 3 over 10. So solution here, we have to find the LCM on the left side here. So the LCM here is 10. So 10 into 2 is 5a. 10 into 5 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6a plus 2 is equal to a plus 3 over 10. So now add everything up, like group the like term or combine the like term. So 5a plus 6a plus 2 over 10 is equal to a plus 3 over 10. Now you can get rid of 10 by multiplying both sides by 10. So 10 goes with that, 10 goes with this. So 5a plus 6a is 11a plus 2 is equal to a plus 3. Now group the like terms. So 11a plus minus, because this is positive over here, should be minus on the other side. So go to 3 minus 2 because we are crossing that side. So we have 10a is equal to 1. You can simplify that by dividing both sides by 10. Both sides by 10. That means a is equal to 1 over 10.